Hostvilla, India's #1 reseller web hosting provider.
In this video, we are telling about how to install WordPress in 3 easy steps on our site. So, uh, first, create the subdomain WP1. Click on create. First of all, go to uh, software plus so WordPress installer. WordPress installer. Click on install. Check HTTPS protocol. Then uh, delete directory. Select a domain, site name, site description, username and password, email. Update everything. uh, Advanced option, you got the table prefix and database name. Okay, click on install. Our WordPress is successfully installed in our site. Can you see this? Okay, it's our dashboard. Next, step 2, go to subdomain, WP2. Click on create. Go back, build a website. See the icon, then the WordPress installer is loading. WP toolkit. uh, Next, click on install. Select the protocol, select the domain WP2, delete directory, change website title, select the plugin as you want, change username, change password, change email, change the database prefix and database user ID, password, username and password, and click on install. Installing WordPress, click on show detail, downloading and unpackaging WordPress, creating database, configure the installation, and securing website. 75% completed, and minimize these. Our 100% completed. Next, how to check our site. um, and then you can see this. uh, this is our what WP2 Tejvira. Then open. Our WordPress is successfully installed, and the last step is install the WordPress manually from wordpress.org. Click on get WordPress and download the WordPress. I have already downloaded the WordPress, so only I am creating subdomain wp3 create. I'm going to our subdomain and next delete the default folder, upload the file WordPress 6.1.1. Okay, that is okay. Then extract the file, close, reload, select all and move to a domain directory as public HTML also. So we can go on WP, go to website, use HTTPS protocol, then WordPress setup configuration. Select the language, click on continue, click on let's go, uh, create the database SQL, click on SQL my database wizard, create the database, put the database password and click on create user. Click on all privileges, click on make changes, then put the database name, username, password. As you want to change the table prefix as add wp3, click on submit, run the installation, site name wp3 3, username admin and password is PASS. Confirm the weak password, add your email account and click on install WordPress. Click on login. Your WordPress installation is successful. Add your put your username and password and click on login. Then your WordPress installation is successful. Click to check your sites. Okay, it, it is a very 3 easy step to install the WordPress on our sites. Thanks for watching this video.
Host Villa, India's #1 reseller web hosting provider.